Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do a quick braid out on my hair with only about 6 or 7 braids inside. So let's get to it. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned with no product in it right now. The leave-in that I'm going to put in will be the SheaMoisture MANUKA Honey Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk. I love this stuff, but it is so hard to get it out of the bottle. I literally have to open it and scoop my finger all the way in. I should have made this into a pump, definitely. I'm gonna split my hair first. I'm gonna split this to 3 different sections. I normally apply my product to individual sections because my hair dries so quick. There's no point in me putting the product on my hair, and then by the time I reach a certain section, my hair is completely dry. Now I'm going to apply my Camille Rose Honey Hydrate leave-in, just a little bit. This is step 1. I have not tried her other products, but I have tried this one and I like it. I kind of see what people mean when they say if you keep rubbing, it gets hot. Not extremely hot, but it just gets a little warm. I'm gonna put this in, and it smells so good. I finally got it to come up, so I'm gonna scoop a little bit out. My hair is definitely loving the hydration. Now I'll go through and comb it out. And lastly, before I do the braid, I'm gonna put the SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Grow Lock and Braid Butter inside. I'm not a big gel fan, so you will rarely see me try gels. I won't apply any oil to my hair until I take my braid out because it's super hydrated from that deep condition that I did prior to this video. And now I'm gonna braid it. Nothing spectacular, just a regular braid. Typically try and braid my hair down all the way to the end. Sometimes I add a little bit more cream to the ends of my hair, just a little bit. Twist it, and that is it for the first braid. braid out is done, I am going to wrap my hair, go to sleep, and let my hair dry. I'll be back. My hair is now completely dry. It took 2 days for my hair to dry. Of course, you do not have to wait that long. I decided to let my hair air dry. You could easily sit under the dryer, or you could just blow dry your hair. So yes, I did go to work looking like this, but it's a cute little protective style. I will be applying the TGIN Jamaican Black Castor Oil Hair and Body Serum. I've never seen this at Target or anywhere. I actually found this at Ulta and it smelled very lovely. So I had to buy it. I can still feel the moisture inside of my hair. Just gonna lightly put a little bit of oil on each braid before I take it down. Sometimes I use the end of my comb to get the end of my hair. And then I pretty much take it from there. You can be gentle with it, but it's already been in this braid for so long, like your hair is fine. At this point, you need to just pretty much unravel each twist and make your hair get bigger if you like your hair big with a lot of volume. And now I'm gonna pretty much just undo every section. Just gonna make it a little bit bigger. Let's get these out of the way. I don't like to make my hair too big because day 2 and 3, my hair is just huge. So I just separate it a little bit. Add a little bit of volume to my hair. Sometimes I even let this protective style stay in my hair for a week, and that way when I wash it every 2 weeks, one week it's in braids and the next week I just wear it loose, and then when it starts to get a little too big, I put my hair in a ponytail. Ponytails is definitely my #1 go-to. I love this style. It is so easy to do. Don't have to French braid it, and at the end of the results, you have some pretty hair. It's like I said, it's even pretty even when it's in the braids. It's just a nice chill little look as you sit and wait for your hair to dry. This is one side done. That is about it for how much I unravel, because as you guys can see, immediately once I take my hair out of the braids, my hair is already big. So the most I try and do is try and cover up my part. I'm trying to cover my part a little bit in the back because I did split it down the middle. But that is about it for my hair. And that is it for today's video. If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. Also, if you have any comments, I will respond. Thank you all for watching.